For today, I want to make a beautiful pancake. I think it's be yellow or pink. That's really pink. That's real cool. Without any further ado, let's get tutorial. This is the prepare for the cupcake. I want to make 3D cupcake and the paper is like this. It's beginner friendly, and even if you want to crafting with kids, everything is so easy. So before that, we're gonna make the bottom of the cupcake. So you have to prepare a paper like this. There's a line over here. You have to record in the lines and fold like this, and don't forget this. It's really easy. This is the easier crafting I ever made. This is it, and don't forget about this. Just fold it inside like this, and put a glue over here, 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 and here to connect the part of the cupcake. Just like this. Don't forget about this. And connecting like this up, and don't forget about this part. Now we'll get this one, and this one. Make sure everything is strong and sticking everything. And this is for the top of the cup. This is for the cover of the cupcake. Like usual, there's a line. You just fold it, and there's a decoration for this, for the sides of the cover of the cup. For the glue, you have to cover all of the parts just like this. If you want to put so much glue or not, it's up to you. Important is to try fast, because sorry, I forgot about this part. So we're gonna make a decoration in the sides of the cup, the side of cover of the cup. Just like this, just fold and connect to the lower part. Let it strong, let the glue is dry. It's really, really easy, I know. After it to be like this, we're gonna decorating the sides of the here with this. For that, we're gonna fold first. Just fold with easel like this, and put a glue in the entire of the part. I said entire of the part. Just like this. Just like this. You gotta stick in and stick in. Now after this, we're gonna decorating the cup. It's really like to be a waffle of the cupcake. And that's just it. Just fixing everything. And just like this. And we're gonna decorating the cup with this. You just put a glue the entire of the part and just put it here. You have to repeat this method into all cup is covering. So like this. And this is the final part, and we gonna give them for the glue entire of the ornaments I printed before, and like this way I'm shaking, and the cup is done. Time to pull the cover of the cup, and then we're gonna make the whipped creams and cherry over here where this. Now put one, and there's a line, just fold. Just you have four, just fold 4 pepper for the whipped creams. I say whipped creams, just whipped cream. And put a glue, I have to clean it. Put a glue just one side and connect it. Connect it like we have shape, 3D whipped cream shape here. So put again and connect it. We're gonna stick in it on this. It's like this. Just put a glue, just like this. It's really cute, and just like this. You can see it's like cherry and guava. It's stuck on the whipped cream like this. Just be careful, don't mess your craft. Like this, and connect it to the middle of the cup, just like this, and your cupcake is done. Ooh, that's really cool. I think it's small, but it's really aesthetic. If you want to make this bigger or smaller than this, or more decoration, maybe strawberries, or without or just a jam, or just like a whipped cream like this, you can share to our community in daisycraft.com, and waiting for our new design. And bye bye and happy crafting.
Drizzy Craft.